Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this particular tutorial, I'm going to teach you everything about Teachable. So if you are planning to create a course and you are looking for platforms to host your course, then Teachable is a great option for you. In this particular video, we are going to start with the different Teachable plans that you have. And once you have decided which plan you want to go for, we are going to set up our account with that. And then the next thing would be, I will give you an overview of how the Teachable works. So I've been personally using Teachable from last 5 years. I have another website where I use Teachable to host my courses. So I'm going to give you an overview of that website as well. And once we have seen how Teachable works, then the next thing would be to give a in-depth information about behind the scene picture. So once students start enrolling in your courses, how are you going to manage them? How are you going to see which users are enrolled in which particular courses and how much revenue you have made so far, how to set up a new course on Teachable. So we are going to learn all of that in this particular video series. And at the end, I'm going to help you creating your first online course using Teachable. So I will be creating a brand new course right in front of you. I'll be adding videos and I'll go ahead and start publishing that course in front of you. If you follow along with me, I guarantee you by the end of this series, you will have your school up and running. I'll also recommend you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, because you don't want to miss any video. So let's go ahead and get started into this series by going to the next video. Thank you.